What's up, everybody? It's Buckeye Rail Productions again, back with you for actually another railroad update. I was actually surprised to get this in so soon. So we're here standing in the room just next to the railroad. I have some neat things to show you that I've done in the last couple of days with the help of a couple of friends. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are back at the Rio Grande Valley Railroad, and I want to show you a couple things that I've actually gotten done. So let's start down here. One of my friends, Mr. Alec Parker, has loaned me an NC power cab and a locomotive that actually does have sound, and it is DCC. We've relied double track all the way from this point. Let me show you here. So we got a crossover coming into town. Okay, don't mind some things on the railroad here. I still need to do some cleaning. Does a little bit of a curve. Of course, my pop and my cell phone. And I've brought out some rolling stock. Check out that. That is about 10 car trains or so. So we got a siding here, and then main 1 and main 2. And we're going to come on down through here. I'll get to those in a minute. Haven't decided, whoops, as I derail some cars here. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with that little spur that you see where that switch doesn't go into anything. Don't know if I'm going to do something over here in this corner. It's just there because we know we laid the track. So couple crossovers, double crossover there, and then this is where we start to head up the hill. So on the inside, we got all the way, I'm just going to zoom in. It is a little crooked and, you know, back and forth, but you know what? Sometimes that's just how railroading goes. So the outside track, we only got to the curve. The inside track, we got all the way up to there. So here's a view from this end of the town. Let's take a look at that. It's not bad. It definitely gives the railroad some character. And we're going to continue working on this and get the track up to the second level and get it to where we can run a train. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to run a train for you. So I will be right back. Damn. everybody, so welcome back now that we got that train running out of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it wasn't very far, it wasn't very long, but hey, progress is progress. So one thing I wanted to show you before we go ahead and end this video, and I actually got two things to go over. These two are going to be kind of related. And the first thing is, I want to show you some signals that I actually did not know that my dad had picked up a long time ago from a famous model railroader named Alan McClellan. I can maybe try to find some information, link it in the video description. He had a very, very famous and well-known HO railroad called the Virginian in Ohio. He lived local to me, just north of me actually, and these signals were on his railroad for a very, very long time. And I went there a lot as a kid, so I do remember these, being active, being ran. They had a full CTC system, and I thought that was just the neatest thing that my dad had actually picked these up. It must have been when he was selling some things and got out of the railroading. So these may or may not be used on the railroad here. I'm really not sure, to be honest. Maybe I'll hook them up, on the Rio Grande Valley side, which again, based on my last video, remember it's going to be from that end around on the other side, comes into here, as well as on top and goes around to there. So maybe I'll hook them up as like block signaling. They won't be CTC or anything. These are definitely the older style. So that would work and be neat, just to have them go red and green or yellow or whatever. So I'm not sure what's going to go on with that. But that's basically the end of this update. So I was excited to get an update video in so soon. Here's the NCE power cab that my good friend allowed me to borrow for this purpose. Even though we have a full working lens system, it was easier with his locomotives and everything. He let me borrow to run it with NCE. So he was gracious enough to do that, and that's pretty much it for the update wise. I'm going to get on my computer and show you some things on there that I have planned, and then that'll be it for this one. So again, this is the Rio Grande Valley Railroad with a splash of Rio Grande. Denver and Rio Grande Western is going to be the theme. So I hope you guys enjoy this update. Again, thank you for the support. I saw a few guys and gals have watched my last video, and I'll try to keep them coming. If you guys have any comments, concerns, requests, or suggestions, feel absolutely free to message me on YouTube or leave a comment, and I will definitely try to watch that and respond. So again, thank you, and hope you enjoy.